We need to manage our space. I had a window and door company, and one time we wanted to add a product, and we'd already expanded, and we'd moved buildings and expanded that building, and we couldn't build on anymore. We didn't want any more property, and so what we did was we eliminated a product to create the floor space for the new product. The new product improved our top line, and it improved our bottom line tenfold. One product. We created the space for that. As leaders within an organization, many times the space that we need to create is up here. How are we spending our time? What are our systems or procedures like? When you talk about keep it simple, that's exactly what that is. When Tim was talking about letting the other piece of the company go so that you could be the best at what you are best at, that's creating space. It's figuring out what we can say no to so we have the time and we can say yes to opportunities that's going to provide greater growth than what the security blanket of what we know gives us. We are responsible to manage our space individually, in our personal lives, and organizationally. You think about all the reports that are generated. We were talking about reports earlier. All these reports, are they all necessary? Why do we generate them? Well, maybe it's because we always did it. But that doesn't mean we still need it today. So we need to innovate. And we need to create space for growth. Human beings only grow into a vacuum. What can you eliminate from what you do every day? What can you delegate to someone else or just replace that will create space for you to grow? We're responsible to think about that. We're responsible to address those issues. You've addressed it on an organization-wide level. You have to also address it in a department level, and each of us as individuals have to evaluate our space.